This is the RaingerFX Dr Freakenstein Chop Fuzzz, the latest in the Dr Freakenstein series. I think this one is the 12th. It's a full-on gated fuzz, tons of low frequencies with a searing top-end edge. It's loud but is amazingly silent between notes. The I meter shows the input signal strength. There are a bunch of other features built in. It's got an overtone knob, which is very like a strong tone control, like a cross between a phaser and a wah-wah. There's a hard square wave chop tremolo. And there's a LFO modulation section. This can be toggled by the foot switch on the left between the two rate pots, a slow sweeping cycle and a really fast cycle, so fast it becomes a note itself, and you can tune this note to any key you want over several octaves. This pedal has serious drone potential. The Chop Fuzzz comes with an Igor. It's our pressure sensitive foot controller pad, which can control overtone, or it can be used for chop activation, flashing in some hard tremolo accents. There's a high-low button that changes the range and intensity, and the I meter goes blue or green according to how you set that button. The pedal can be controlled by 5-volt control voltage, CB, if you're into that kind of thing. So that's the RaingerFX Chop Fuzzz. It's actually a really specific multi-effects unit.